Good morning students, standard 10. Today we are going to complete the causes of the revolt of 1857, and as per your syllabus we have only the causes. Okay, this time results are not there for your syllabus, so we will be doing only the causes. And the causes for the great uprising of 1857 already. Political causes completed, social and religious causes completed, economic causes are completed. Today's class will be doing military causes of the revolt of 1857, or these causes can also be asked what were the discontentment among the Indian soldiers. Why the Indian soldiers were discontented, dissatisfied. So many points are at that moment. You will write only the heading: ill treatment of the Indian sepoys, Indian inferior status and low salaries, general service enlistment. And you have so many points. You can write any 4 points. Now we'll be doing in detail what is this ill treatment of Indian sepoys. Sepoys means the soldiers. Okay. So here the Indian soldiers were ill treated. They were humiliated. Okay, they were insulted during the time of their training. Like that also they were insulted, they were kicked, they were abused as if they are animals. Okay, so this was the ill treatment which was shown to the Indian sepoys. Their inferior status and low salary. Salary was very low. Okay, and the status, inferior status. See, in that we had some European soldiers also, European troop also was there. But the Indian soldiers were given the inferior status. Complex feeling that the whites are the superior people, okay, and the Indian soldiers are the inferior people. So, inferior status and low salary. The most important, I'll give a triple star to this, okay, because it comes as the question, what was this General Service Enlistment Act? How this General Service Enlistment Act was responsible for the great uprising of 1857. So under this General Service, this was passed by Lord Canning. Lord Canning. He was the Viceroy. He was the Viceroy of India at that time. Governor General, Viceroy of India at that time. So Lord Canning passed General Service Enlistment Act. Now what was this General Service Enlistment Act? Under this General Service Enlistment Act, the Indian soldiers were forced to go over sea front, which affected their religious belief, especially the Brahmins. Okay, so here what was this General Service Enlistment Act? Under this General Service Enlistment Act, the Indian soldiers were sent overseas front. Overseas front means समुद्र पार करके उन लोगों को दूसरा देश में जाके लड़ाई करना है. Okay, so they were supposed to go overseas front, which affected their religious belief. This was General Service Enlistment Act, which was passed by Lord Canning. Next you have loss of British prestige in first Afghan war. Okay, so here it was a myth, it was a belief that nobody can defeat the Britishers. Britishers cannot be defeated. But this myth came to an end when the British soldiers lost, okay, in the first Afghan war, and it gave strength to the Indian soldiers that they can easily defeat the Britishers. Okay. The next you have effect of the annexation of Awadh. Annexation of Awadh, I already have explained to you. It was annexed under the pretext of misgovernance. Soldiers, army was disbanded. So many soldiers became jobless. So these soldiers, they joined the Bengal army. The Bengal army was the trained army. Okay, so many of these soldiers joined the Bengal army, and they had a ill feeling towards the British East India Company. This was one of the reasons, and the most important, the Indian soldiers were numerically greater than the British soldier. Numerically greater means in number they were more in 5 times more. Okay, in the British British army compared to the European soldiers. Okay, so this gave a strength to them that they are more in number than they can easily defeat the British East India Company. So these are the military causes which you have to remember, where I explained to you: ill treatment of the Indian sepoys, inferior status and low salary, General Service Enlistment Act passed by Lord Canning, loss of British prestige in First Afghan War, effect of the annexation of Awadh and numerical strength of the Indian soldiers. They were 5 times greater than the British soldiers. This. Now we will do immediate cause, the last. Immediate cause. Okay. Or this is also known as grease cartridges. Okay. What was the immediate cause that the revolt of 1857 broke? See, people were not happy. So here spark was needed to put in a fire. So here what happened? The British East India Company introduced a new type of rifle which was known as Enfield rifle. British East India Company introduced new type of rifle which was known as Enfield rifle. Now this Enfield rifle, to put the cartridges in the Enfield rifle, the soldiers has to bite the tip of the cartridges with their teeth. Okay. So a rumor spread. What was the rumor? Rumor spread that the cartridges are greased. The cartridges which they used to put in the Enfield rifle. Okay. Before putting the cartridges in the Enfield rifle, the cartridges should be bite with the tip of the cartridges should be bite with the teeth. So the rumor spread that the cartridges are greased with the fats of cows and pigs. Okay, both the Hindus and the Muslim religious sentiment was affected. So this rumor affected the sentiment of the Hindus as well as the Muslim, and they refused, the Indian soldiers, they refused to use this. When the officers forced them, they were killed. Okay, so here it started from military. So sometime it is the British government, British East India Company called this as only a sepoy mutiny because it was started from military and it remained. But you see the whole people involved in this, so it is also known as, the Indian historians call this as the First War of Independence. So here grease cartridges I explained to you, which was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857, where the Enfield rifle was introduced. And this, to put the cartridges in the Enfield rifle, they have to bite the tip of the cartridges with their teeth. And the rumor spread that the cartridges are coated with the fats of cows and pig, which affected the sentiment of the Hindus as well as the Muslims. The Indian soldiers refused when they were forced. When they refused and they were forced, so many of the soldiers, they revolted. Okay. So like this the revolt of 1857 started. Thank you.